Give a fuck, bro.
What's up, y'all?
Call me bro.
Hold on, man.
You got the pack?
Hold on, man.
Hey, lights, camera, action, baby.
Go hard for the one time.
2 times, nigga. I don't like one. I like 2 things. Niggas going insane. Call me maniac. If a nigga chill with me, he get black. I don't give a fuck, my 2 niggas got my back. If you ever chill with me, y'all wanna feel that Mac. I ain't talking about no Mac Miller real shit. I'm talking girl power money, nigga, that real shit. I'm power P, nigga, what that real shit. I'm on that real shit, nigga, get real clear. I'm motherfucker chip up me, real shit. You disrespect my mama, nigga, real shit. I'm talking from the rug, real shit. Dre, real clips. Niggas talking shit, they ain't talking. They don't even talk, I let my hands do the walking. Motherfucker talking, moving, nigga, go to U-Haul. I'm shipping away from Texas to U-Haul. Or Utah to U-Haul. A nigga chill with me, nigga? Not at all. I don't give a fuck, I buy them all. A nigga chill with me? Know them all. You get your dead, you get killed. So no, I ain't talking me, but my baby mama named Amar. I had a bitch on my lap so hard, man. She got me here from the back way of hard, man. She bent over and she... It's illegal if I rob y'all. You hear me? Let me keep going, though. Real nigga shit, bro. STL shit, dog. Number 1 murder capital, bro. Get to right. Criminal, man. A bitch just took my phone. What's up, man? I'm talking shit. What? Money, man. You ain't calling me about no pussy. I'm done, man. I'm done rapping, dog, because the light in my eye and I don't feel paparazzi, dog. Motherfucking trip. It got me, dog. You don't want to stick with me. This West, dog. Dre. We in the trunk, titted up. Don't realize in place. What's up, bro? Look at my nigga on the camera. He hoodied up, and he gooned up green. What's up, bro? Third color, man, that mean money. You see me, nigga, I'm hungry, man. I'm done, bro. I'm done.
And it's a wrap.
I'm done, man.